Mr. Thomas was a history teacher at a large school in medieval Europe. One cold morning, the principal called him into the office. The principal held an important letter with a golden seal. "Our partner school in the Holy City needs help," the principal said seriously. "The roads are dangerous, and another group has taken control of the city. We need brave students and teachers to travel there." This school trip was not a normal trip. It was long, dangerous, and expensive, but the principal promised rewards to anyone who joined. He said students who completed the journey would receive special honors, respect, and forgiveness for past mistakes. Many people believed joining the trip would also please God. Soon, students from different backgrounds volunteered. Some joined because of religion. They believed the journey was a holy mission. Others wanted adventure and excitement. Poor students hoped to find money, land, or a better future in another country. A few students joined simply because their friends were going, while some leaders wanted power and fame. Mr. Thomas organized the groups carefully. Some students carried supplies, others protected the group during travel. Wealthy families paid for food, horses, and equipment. The journey was extremely difficult. The group crossed mountains, forests, and dry lands. Many students became sick from hunger and dirty water. Some were attacked by robbers. Others argued with each other because they came from different schools and countries. As the trip continued, problems inside the group became worse. Some student leaders fought over control. One group refused to follow instructions from another leader. In one city, arguments turned violent and innocent people were hurt. When the travelers finally reached the holy city, there was a terrible battle. Many people died during the fighting. After a long struggle, the group captured the city. Some students celebrated proudly, believing they had completed God's work. Others felt shocked by the violence they had seen. After several years, many travelers returned home to Western Europe. The trip changed Europe in many ways. Trade increased because travelers discovered new products and ideas from the Middle East. Merchants brought back spices, silk, medicines, and knowledge. Travel routes between Europe and Asia became more active. People also learned about different cultures, religions, and technologies. Europeans saw advanced cities, libraries, and scientific ideas they had never known before. Cultural contact between Europe and the Middle East increased greatly. However, the Crusades also created hatred and distrust between religious groups. Christians, Muslims, and Jews often remembered the violence and suffering for many generations. Back at school, Mr. Thomas explained to his students that the journey showed both the best and worst sides of people. Some travelers acted bravely and helped others. Some wanted power, wealth, or revenge. Strong leadership was important, but leaders sometimes made terrible decisions. The Crusades were not just about war, he told the class. They were also about religion, promises of rewards, trade, travel, leadership, and cultural contact between different parts of the world.